Góðan daginn og velkomin í Íslensku fyrir útlendinga. Ég vona að ykkur gangi vel og að ykkur leiðist ekki of mikið út af kórónuveirunni. Ég veit að það kann að vera mjög erfitt að vera fastur heima, þannig að ég vona bara að þið getið lært einhverja íslensku á meðan þið bíðið eftir að geta farið út aftur. Í þessu myndbandi þá vil ég tala nokkur af þeim námsgögnum sem eru að finna á netinu og vonandi getið þið haldið náminu áfram á meðan þið eru föst heima. Now, a really great resource to get started is to go onto Facebook and type in Icelandic Learners -Læra Íslensku. Now, this is a really great Facebook page where learners of all different backgrounds come and they discuss different resources they found, and if they have questions, then they can ask them. It's really helpful and it will point you in the direction of a lot of really good resources that I can't cover in this video. The purpose of this channel was to go over some of the more complicated grammar principles and pronunciation principles of Icelandic. One of the things that it doesn't cover is vocabulary. That's something that can't really be covered in a YouTube video just because there's not enough time to learn all the words that you need to. So you need something that's going to help you build your vocabulary base. And one of the great resources for that is called Icelandic Online. That's icelandiconline.com. And this is a really great free resource which starts at a beginning level and gets more advanced as you go along, and it's really good for starting to build that vocabulary foundation, which is very important because, like I said, you can't teach vocabulary in a YouTube video, and learning Icelandic grammar isn't going to help very much if you don't have words that you can use to put it into practice. So I really recommend that. As far as Icelandic dictionaries go, there's a really nice online one that's fairly easy to use. If you type in Icelandic Dictionary into Google, it's near the top. It's called DigiCall. And you can look up the Icelandic word, which will show you not only the different forms of the word, but also the different ways that it can be used. And then you can also search for an English word or a word that's located anywhere in the entry by switching up here at the top and typing in an English word, and then it'll show you all of the entries that have that word as part of it. So if you type in television and you click on sjónvarp, then you can see that the word television is found in the entry for this. The last resource I want to talk about is what I call BIN, which stands for Beygingarlýsing Íslensks nútímamáls, which is the source that you can go to find the different word forms for any given Icelandic word. You can reach it by typing in bin.arnastofnun.is. Up at the top you can type in a search term, either a noun or an adjective or a verb. For example, maður, and then it will pull up the different forms of the word maður. So that's an example of a noun. You can also use a verb like vera, and it'll show you all the verb forms for the verb að vera. Unfortunately, this video is really only scratching the surface of the available online resources for learning Icelandic. I encourage you to keep looking, find the stuff that works best for you. If you find something cool, then feel free to share it in the comments below. Hope you're staying safe. Bless, bless.